In this section, I will introduce Django. Since I find it more stable to teach Django using Django 1.6.8 and Python 2.7.8, I will be using Django 1.6.8 and Python 2.7.8 in this section. In this section, I will introduce how to install Django, how to set up a Django project, how to create a super user account, how to create a model, how to make view connection, and how to use template with Django. I will try to explain everything as simple as possible in order to make it more understandable. This is the end of the introductory video. In the following lecture, let's start with the installation of Python 2.7.8.